Hello friends, once again Ether wallet was hacked. Anyway, you should alert about your My Ether wallet, just alert about the phishing, airdrop form and any other airdrop that asks you to sign address or verification your My Ether wallet address. Okay, just be alert. So anyway, today I'm going to share the Varanida wallet, extension wallet, like the MetaMask, but it has extra one facility, that is ad blocking. It is a wallet, extension wallet come ad blocker. So if you install it, they will give you a decentralized VAD token, 50 token you will get after install Varanida extension wallet. It is only compatible for Chrome browsers, not for Firefox, Opera or any other browser. So if you just click here, then extension will install in your browser within a couple of seconds. Okay, then you have to copy the passphrase and put the refer. First you have to put your refer address. You can put my refer address, this one. Then copy the passphrase and give a strong password. Then your wallet will be created and you will get your address just like here. I got 50 VAD for installation, VAD token, and 20 for the referral address that I referred in the installation. So it will give you every day's bonus by this. If you log this, then you will not get any tokens or bonus for blocking ad. If this is on, then you will get some portion of VAD, fragments of VAD tokens every block by this Varanida wallet. So install this. You can use this for ERC token address for apply the ERC20 tokens, and you also get everyday's reward for blocking ads. Okay, so it is now request block 20 or 11%. It will gradually add to your rewards. Here you can see your statistics, daily statistics, how many commission you earn. You can see here. I just installed half an hour ago. I just installed it, and you can go to your setting. You change your setting just like this. Disable tooltips. Just keep it defaults. Okay. Media elements larger than. I just don't change anything. Here is the wallet, export passphrase and private key. You can then third party filter. Just keep this in default mode. Okay. About disclaimer. Friends, install it. It's a nice wallet come ad blocker and get your 50 for sign up or installation and get bonus commissions for every ad blocked by this Varanida wallet. That's it friends. Just go to this. I'm giving all the links and the refer address in the description. So just install to your browser. Just click here, then it will automatically install within seconds. So friends, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.